how to rename your Figma files. Well, it's quite simple. Well, it's simple, but yet super useful. So whether you're organizing your projects or just want a clear file name, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. All right, here we are in Figma. I just hope you have your project open, and once we are here, first thing first, look at the top left corner of your Figma window, and you can see a file name over here. So right now I have nothing over here. I just want to show you the demo of renaming the file. So let's make something, right? It's draw a frame over here. Let's say I want to save this. So let's say this is the file name. It's untitled right now because I haven't named it yet. In order to name, all you have to do is tap into the file itself, and now it will be editable. And all we have to do now is think of a name. And one thing is that I recommend to keep it more clear and descriptive, so later you can find it easily. For example, I'm going to rename this file, let's say, my awesome design. All right, in order to save this, all you have to do is hit enter on your keyboard, and your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it, your file is now renamed. Renaming files in Figma is super simple, right? I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.